What's up, guys? So what I'm thinking is I'll not put that hey guys, welcome to my channel 18 Tech, please do subscribe and stuff. So I'm thinking that I'll not put that so please tell your things, like if you want it then dislike this video, if you don't want it then like this video. So enjoy the rest of this coding video. Okay, hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel 18 Tech, and welcome to another coding video. So we'll be making a calculator app in MIT App Inventor. So we'll just make it really fast, as we have already done this in this one, the code.org. So here we'll make it. So I'll just make the title visible to false. Okay, we'll be doing it very fastly and very simply. So I'll just pause the video. Yeah, in designing I'll just put some three text boxes. This is normal size, this is normal size. So here we'll be putting the first number. Okay, so font size is the same. If you want, you can make the font bold and stuff. So I just kept it over here. So this okay. Okay, let's go to that later. So the first number, where we'll put the first number, I kept the hint as nothing, and I have kept the width as fill parent, and we'll have to enable numbers only. So here in the text box 2 as well. Oh, it's stuck. Okay, fine. In the text box 2 as well, it's the same. You'll just have to enable numbers only, nothing else. With this fill parent, nothing as the hint. So in the text box 3, where our answer will come for this calculator, I'll just enable font bold for this, and nothing else. I have kept the height as 10% and the width as fill parent. Okay, and the hint I have kept it as is equals to, and I will enable numbers only. So I'll just keep the background color of the screen um, orange. Fine. Okay, now we'll just put some buttons. I'll just pause the video and I will tell what I had done. And one more thing, guys, in the answer text box, here yeah, you'll have to enable read only. Okay, so whenever somebody will press the plus button, uh, it will just like it will only show the answer, so that nobody can change that. So I'll just do the button stuff and I will come back. Here we go. Okay, so what I had done is I just put four buttons. I have put the text minus, multiplication symbol, and this division symbol. So if you want, you can put that the actual division symbol, multiplication symbol as X and stuff. So I have kept all the buttons font as 20, and I have kept font bold so that it will be clear. Okay, so let's go to blocks and let's finish all the coding, which is really guys, it's so simple to do this. So yeah, what we'll have to do is, when this plus actually this is plus button. Okay, when plus button click, uh, it's math. Okay, here this one. Okay, um just a second, guys. Oh, it's hanging. Just a second, guys. Yeah, the this is the answer, where the answer will come. Text set text box, when button one click, set text box 3 text 2 text box 1 dot text plus text box 2 dot text. So what you'll have to do is just duplicate it. Okay, just a second, guys. Yeah, I'm really sorry, guys, for the background noises. So yeah, button 2. Okay, here button 2, let's do that later. This is button 3, and I'll just, oh no, not this, over here. And I'll have to duplicate this, and I'll have to make it button 4, and I will arrange it properly, something like this. Okay, here what we'll have to do is, we'll have to put, instead of plus, oh no, sorry, not this. Okay, instead of plus, you'll have to put minus, multiplication, division and stuff. So I'll just finish that and come back, guys. So I'm back. I have done the, this is the subtraction button. and this one is the addition button, it's plus, and in the subtraction button it's minus, and in the multiplication button it's into, and in the division button it's add this division sign. So now let's go to designer and export this, save apk to my computer. So once it saves, guys, I'll come back. So yeah, it's a very short video. Okay, so I made it very short as we had already done it. Just didn't want to show. Okay, I didn't wanted to show each and everything and stuff. So okay, fine. So it's being downloaded. So once it gets okay, it's downloaded now, and I'll come back. So yeah, I have kept it like I have kept it in the landscape now. Okay, so let's put one. See, guys, you can't make it in text, it's only number, but in this keyboard there is emoji available. So if you put like hash, oh, that does not work. Okay, fine. Let's say some we'll just leave it empty. Oh, uh yeah, we'll leave it empty, and we will see, you can't do like that, you'll have to end the application. So if you put emoji, oh, that just doesn't work, as we are just using only numbers. Okay, so if you leave it plain, then you can't do anything. So yeah, see, you can't just see anything in that. So now I'll put one, so it's two. Okay, it's you can make this font size a bit bigger. So minus, multiplication, division, so it works pretty well. You can put numbers like, okay. So now I'll put big number. So I'll put a very big number. Okay, so sorry for the what you can't even copy this, but here you can. You can't even copy this is what I guess. Yeah, you can't copy. So you can see such a big number we have done. It has come here, plus, minus, multiplication. Oh, that's such a big number over here. Division, it's 2. So yeah, guys, that's it for this simple video. um it was pretty small, actually, it's just 7 minutes. So guys, that's it for this video, and I'm gonna meet you in my next video.